All right, let's get started. See, you don't have to be serious to be, I don't know. You just don't have to be serious. I don't know how often we're going to do these. Once a week, once a month, once every other month. I want to do them kind of frequent. It's not going to be daily because I have a day job. And if you are like third, or you're one of the 3 people that will probably end up watching this, what do you want to know about the engineering profession? What do you want to know about becoming a maker, learning how to be a maker, making stuff, electronics, woodworking, and hopefully get projects that kind of like bring it all together. I don't know where this is going to go. I don't know if this is ever going to be seen by the light of day. I'm not sure if this is going to see the light of day or the light of night. So we're going to use this piece of T-track, aluminum T-track, something like that. I was going to put it into my table, but I couldn't get the router because of the way it's built. Anyway, so we're going to make a little temporary thing that I will clamp it. That's the word I'm looking for. We're going to clamp it to the table instead, and then move it around. So the idea of the T-track is you put it down, you put little things, bolts that stick up this way, you can move things down the track and position them. My thinking is either for like clamps to clamp projects down when I'm doing routing, and other things. Got a 1/4 inch, somewhere between a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. We'll take this down a bit of an inch at a time. I love the overhead extension cords. Safety third or fourth. Holy crap, that's a lot of sawdust. But that's nice. There we go. So now I've got to make like another, I don't know, 15 passes. So this is like the cheapest trim router you can buy. It's like $35 from Harbor Freight, and it's actually cutting pretty decently. The thing I don't like, and this is so easy, and I would imagine it would like add like 10 cents to the cost. But see that little gear in there that helps you like control the depth? It's plastic. This will go before the motor goes. Why? Just like 10 extra cents and give us some metal and make that a little make that the was it the worm gear, tooth and worm, whatever. Just little metal. Now I want to fix this ruler. So like you got IKEA furniture or other kind of furniture, and you sometimes magically you're left with extra parts. I think, like especially bolts and screws and nuts and washers, keep a little box and just like store all those things, because you never know when something that you used to have that you didn't need but you need now, or something like that. you go, my measuring channel T-channel thing. Right, so that is that in a nutshell. So that's the first project. Nothing fancy. We're going to keep it easy. We're going to start nice and slow. We're going to walk before we learn, or crawl before we walk before we run before we fly. Something. Pringles, by the way, are freaking great for the shop because they're self-contained. They keep it so the sawdust can't come in. And when you're done with it, the great thing about like Pringles cans is they're like really good for making antennas, especially like highly directional Wi-Fi antennas. Maybe we'll do that for a project. But Pringles cans, not only are they tasty, but they're actually useful too.